Hello everyone. Today we will discuss staff nurse previous year questions MCQs part 2. Let's start with the first question. What is the first step of the nursing process? Correct answer is C. Assessment. The nursing process begins with assessment where the nurse collects and analyzes patient data to identify health problems and needs. Next question. Which phase of the nursing process involves setting goals for the patient? Correct answer is B. Planning. During the planning phase, the nurse sets smart, specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, time-bound goals based on the identified nursing diagnosis. Next question. Which of the following is a primary purpose of the evaluation phase in the nursing process? Correct answer is B. To monitor the patient's progress toward goals. Evaluation determines if the patient has meet the set goals and if the care plan needs to be modified. Next question. What is subjective data in nursing assessment? Correct answer is B. Patients' statements and feelings. Subjective data includes the information that the patient provides, such as symptoms, feelings, and concerns. Next question. In which phase of the nursing process are nursing interventions carried out? Correct answer is D. Implementation. Implementation involves performing the planned nursing interventions to achieve the set patient goals. Next question. Which is an example of therapeutic communication? Correct answer is B. Active listening. Active listening involves paying full attention to the patient and responding appropriately, which helps build trust. Next question. What is the primary goal of therapeutic communication? Correct answer is C. To establish a trusting nurse patient relationship. Therapeutic communication fosters trust, understanding, and respect between the nurse and the patient. Next question. Which technique encourages the patient to talk more about their feelings? Correct answer is C. Silence. Silence gives the patient time to think and encourages them to share their thoughts and feelings. Next question. Which of the following is an open-ended question? Correct answer is C. Can you describe how you are feeling right now? Open-ended questions encourage the patient to provide detailed responses and share more information. Next question. Which statement demonstrates empathy in therapeutic communication? Correct answer is C. It sounds like you are feeling really overwhelmed right now. Empathy involves understanding and acknowledging the patient's feelings without judgment or false reassurance. Next question. What is the first phase of the nurse-patient relationship? Correct answer is C. Orientation phase. The orientation phase is when the nurse and patient first meet, establish a rapport, and identify goals for the relationship. Next question. What is the primary goal of the working phase in the nurse-patient relationship? Correct answer is C. Implementing the care plan and addressing patient needs. The working phase focuses on addressing the patient's needs, implementing interventions, and promoting change. Next question. When does the termination phase of the nurse patient relationship occur? Correct answer is C. When patient goals are achieved and the relationship ends. The termination phase occurs when the relationship concludes and the patient is prepared to manage their care independently. Next question. What is the most important aspect of maintaining professional boundaries in a nurse patient relationship? Correct answer is C. Establishing clear professional limits. Professional boundaries ensure that the relationship remains therapeutic and focused on the patient's needs, not the nurse's. Next question. Which of the following is an example of maintaining confidently in the nurse patient relationship? Correct answer is C. Sharing the patient's information only with authorized healthcare professionals. Patient confidentiality is essential for maintaining trust and adhering to ethical and legal standards. Next question. What is objective data in nursing assessment? Correct answer is C. Measurable, observable signs such as vital signs. Objective data are measurable and observable like blood pressure, temperature, and lab test results. Next question. What is the main purpose of nursing diagnosis? Correct answer is C. To identify actual or potential health problems. Nursing diagnosis focus on the patient's responses to health problems and guide the nursing interventions. Next question. Which nursing diagnosis is correctly written according to NANDAI format? Correct answer is C. Acute pain related to surgical incision as evidenced by patient's verbal reports of pain. A nursing diagnosis should include three components: problem, related factors, and evidence PES format. Problem, etiology, symptoms. Next question. In the planning phase of the nursing process, what is essential for goal setting? Correct answer is B. Goals should be measurable and time bound. Nursing goals should follow the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bound. Next question. Which action is part of the implementation phase in the nursing process? Correct answer is C. Administering medications and performing wound care. Implementation involves carrying out nursing interventions such as administering medications, providing hygiene, and patient education. Next question. Which therapeutic communication technique involves repeating back what the patient says to clarify understanding? Correct answer is C. Paraphrasing. Paraphrasing involves restating the patient's message in the nurse's own words to confirm understanding. Next question. What is the therapeutic purpose of using silence during a conversation with a patient. Correct answer is B. To encourage the patient to express themselves. Silence gives the patient time to think and can encourage them to share more about their feelings. Next question. What is the best response when a patient expresses anger or frustration? Correct answer is C. Respond with empathy and allow them to express their feelings. Empathy helps validate the patient's feelings and promotes therapeutic communication. Next question. Which non-verbal communication can enhance therapeutic interaction? Correct answer is B. Maintaining eye contact and nodding. Non-verbal cues like eye contact, nodding, and open posture convey attentiveness and support. Next question. What is the meaning of active listening in therapeutic communication? Correct answer is C. Focusing fully on the patient, understanding and responding appropriately. Active listening involves fully concentrating on what the patient is saying, demonstrating empathy and avoiding interruptions. Next question. Which action helps build trust in the nurse-patient relationship? Correct answer is B. Being honest, respectful, and maintaining confidently. Building trust involves honest, active listening and respecting the patient's privacy and confidently. Next question. Which of the following is a characteristic of a professional nurse-patient relationship? Correct answer is C. It is goal directed and patient centered. A professional nurse patient relationship is therapeutic, goal oriented, and focused on improving the patient's well being. Next question. During the termination phase, what is an important nursing action? Correct answer is B. Provide referrals and review the progress made. In the termination phase, the nurse helps the patient transition while reviewing goals, discussing progress, and offering resources. Next question. What is a boundary violation in the nurse patient relationship? Correct answer is B. Sharing personal contact information. Boundary violations occur when the professional limits of the relationship are crossed, such as sharing personal information. Next question. What is included in a nurse's initial assessment of a patient? Correct answer is B. Vital signs, history, physical examination, and patient's complaints. A comprehensive initial assessment gathers both subjective and objective data to form a baseline for care. Next question. Which type of nursing diagnosis identifies a patient's potential health risk? Correct answer is A. Risk diagnosis. A risk diagnosis addresses potential problems that may develop if preventive measures are not taken. Risk for falls. Next question. What is the purpose of nursing interventions? Correct answer is C. To achieve patient-centered goals and improve health outcomes, nursing interventions aim to address patient needs and help achieve the set goals in the care plan.